Work, eat, sleep. Work, eat, sleep. For too many men, this is what their daily routine boils down to. Whether you've noticed it yet or not, that kind of schedule can have adverse effects on your body. Untreated and persistent stress, tense muscles, and even a lack of relaxation can wear the male body down, mentally and physically. Fortunately, these symptoms of time constraints can be eased with even a single massage. On your next visit to Steam Complex, you can book our professional masseur for a half or a full hour massage treatment. If you're a Steam Complex VIP member, you'll also receive a discount on your booking. You can join our VIP club free on our website using just your email address. If you're not on our website, then visit steamcomplex.com for further information.